Hey guys, I just got home and I've got some deliveries coming in, but one of them is this DC box that I get every few months. It comes in once a quarter. I pay for it. I think it's like $47, and it's the world's finest box from Culturefly. Anyway, I thought I'd show you guys what's in here, and I'm going to give one away. These are $47. They have custom stuff, all DC, world's finest. This theme is the Dark Knight metal. If that was a whole, that's the joke Batman Who Laughs. Anyway, it was a great series that really reshaped the DC universe. Let's see what's in here. I'm guessing some Batman and / Joker stuff. All right. So, by the way, the door is open because I literally just got home, and it's very, very hot in here because the air's been off. But anyway, so that's all the stuff that's going to come in here. And this is not affiliated or anything. I paid for this out of my own pocket. I just happened to accidentally get 2 subscriptions, and the other one is not over yet. So, let's see. The first up we have, the Batman Who Laughs action figure. Oh, are there 2 action? No, okay. This is a mug, I think. Oh, it's a pint glass. That's a really cool design. I know this isn't my normal content, but I do love comic books as well as Disney, and I like doing giveaways. There you go. That's the pint glass that comes in it. That's pretty cool. But unfortunately, I feel like they wasted a lot of space on that. But it is just with the world's finest collection. All right, what are you? Oh, it's a bag. Dark, looks like the front of the box. Just a carry bag. That's actually, I think you might get questions about this when you carry it around. That's cool. All right. A magnet. A pin for you pin collectors. That was a little hard to see, but that's the Batman Who Laughs. And then, is this a sweatshirt? A hoodie? We always get different ones. Oh, it's a sweatshirt this month, which I will hardly ever get to wear because I live in Houston and vacation in Florida. But, there it is. Let me see. Let me look at it so I can describe what it is. Oh, cool. It's the world's finest. It's the Trinity. And this is, the size you're going to get is a 2XL for the shirt, just so you know if you win. So this is open to any subscriber. Just like, comment below on this or any other video, and I will randomly choose someone on December 15th for a giveaway. So you'll have this. Hopefully you'll get it in time for Christmas. Actually, you know what? Let's do it on December 5th instead. That way I make sure to get it to you. I don't want to push it too close with the mail being crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe and like.